Yeah, man. Top of the morning, man. Viewer, subscriber, welcome back, man, to another excited episode, man. Yeah, man. Go up on a different location and do some local fishing. You see it, peeps. Don't know me and Father Fox outside. Like normal, you know. Yeah, man, you go get some bait to put on for him, you see me? So we are bringing on a different location today. As you know, see me have on my chill spot shirt, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, remember people, check out the chill spot. Airbnb, Lucy and over. Yeah, man. So, people, yard and abroad, bless up on yourself, man. You know, stay tuned for the excited episode here. Outside today, here. Firefox a climb the hill there. Eh? Morning, Ella, yeah. Yeah, man.
Someone so much. I use them to the cameraman came across some.
Yeah, man.
Can't just in case someone. Boy, how old is that before? No, I use so much yesterday. Use so much yesterday. So much yesterday. Sorry, little boy. You get the thing? Where the other fry?
Yeah, man. Back down on the road after I pick up the bait them. Don't know. Active, we active, you know, man. Remember me to tell you about over so. Over there we are go today. Yo, peeps. So we are, remember the last time I do the video on the next channel, Jamaica on the Run TV. And I'm showing up here, so. Yeah, man. See it now. Finally, I come fishing at the location, you know. At the Bargo Community Center, you know. So, hope we kick up a rumpus, you know. In up here, so you know, peeps, you see it? Because I don't know, you know, man. New location, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, big up everybody, man. Yard and abroad, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Heart of love, you know. Don't know, you know, people. We just want to shoot out, you know, do the right thing, you know. For the fans and the supporters, them. You see me? Big up the rest of the team, you know. You get what I say, because you know, say, everybody can show them strength every now and then, so more time everybody have something to do, busy and something. You see what I say, people, so big up everybody, you know. So big up the rest of the team, you know. Big up every YouTuber, same way. You see what I say? Yeah, man, you come out here and do it and entertain the people, them, you know, because you don't know, you know. To some subscribers, to some viewers, this is like Netflix to them, so big them up. You see it? One of the most important people to we as YouTuber, you know? Yeah, man. So, bless up to you all, you know, on the other side of the screen. You see it? Yeah, man. Enough love. You see me, sometimes we can't come out here, come call name one by one. But, when you don't know it, go down, peeps. Still love, you know. Yeah, man. Each and every one. So, Fox out there, I'm here talking. You see me? So, see it then buck up on some local juvenile. Hope them catch something. We are going to see what they catch already. You say them mash them up? In fire? Huh? They mash them up?
They're just doing catch so far.
Big?
They catch something big and then get back.
Wow, so when we look a bit, we lie, you know, man. Yeah?
Oh. Big up that man, tell you.
Oh, dog, catch a okra and a bridging. So far we are stay from water, man.
Yeah, man.
Judge, know. So, show me what the local juvenile and catch them. Why you catch up, my general? Hold him up, man. Turn him on the right way. Yeah, man. So look, man, them are going on and look at that. Hook up all right. Alright, my father, you. Them are going good, sir. Yeah, man. So, yeah, fisherman. So, yes, man, them arm to them. You can't throw line. You know, and then not up your line, though. Father, God bless up in the cell, you know. You must have to bring him up. We see what I'm going on. Can't set for sitting there and not set him on the line.
That me I pray, you know. Set him on the floater line. I know the current, I'm going to take it to the current.
So it go down to top. Down to so it go. Setting back same speed. Yeah, man, Pete, my first two at this new location, you know. Yeah, man. Nice bridging and a nice congatone, you know what I mean?
Where plays the bad boy?
I have it up there, sir. See it up, see the right side of here, there's some done. See players this side of here. Yeah, man. You see it, peeps. So here we go on now. Peeps, you know, sir. Boy, I want to catch a full action for you, see, peeps. We need to get in a GoPro, peeps. You see me? For you can see the full action, you see it? As I say more time you can to, you know, really in a phone, you know. So we need to get in a GoPro. So peeps, you call pound, you know. Yeah, man. We need to get in one. You see the Firefox over this side, you know, man. Start ball, you know. Want no competition today, boy. Start ball. You see me? The man a ball, I say, boy, I like and me, I go strap him up today, but we don't know what go on yet, peeps. So I could just keep it locked, you know. Yesterday them beat with bad, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yellow tail. Yeah. What you say? Big. Take him up, let the people them see him there. Wow. Nice. Fire the farm. Yellow tail. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people, another double, you know. Pilot and a parrot, another nice bridge, you know, the same. Nice, don't peeps. Yeah, man, 10 line, you know. 10 pound test this in a peeps. Whoa, I like that location I first. How Firefox find it? Yeah, man, Firefox have a uncle fishing in another area, yeah. You see it, so Firefox find it, you know. So peeps. So far, so good, you know. Yeah, man. A barrel line set out there too, you know. So we have to fish them down in another hole, we have to keep them cool, you know. Yeah, man. Every time I forgot the igloo, but I'm not going to forget it next time. Need look of fixing, but I just fix him up and send him a road, you know. Yeah, man, guys, so it's a beautiful location, as I tell you, man. See the beautiful fishes, you know. Another nice bridge in that, you know, this had to be, I caught a pilot earlier, but you don't know, we're not too fussy about pilot or something, so you have to call and say this is my third fish, a Welshman and two parrot, two lovely parrot. You're gonna see the catch at the end, but yeah, man, see me, nice, don't? Lovely peeps. Yeah, man, one more again in the peeps, another nice bridging. The red belly. I'm gonna grab the blue parrot yet in a piece. So see it here? Another bridge in. Get to me and say. Yeah, man. Nice little look, you know? A spot is active. Yeah, man. Active spot out there, please. Wow. Yeah, man. Another lovely bridge in a peeps. It's a bridge in how much? But bridge in number 4. Yeah, man. See my peeps? Yeah, man. Nice piece of bridge in again, you know. Yeah, peeps, in there. Nice! You see people, the light rod me are using, you see it? With a 10-pound test. You see me? Yeah, man, peeps, another bridging, you know? So, I go on. Yeah, man. Bridging number 5, you know? So. Yeah, peeps. Lovely. 2 for 1, but I like how that hook up right there, but I see. Like how that hook up right there. Keep the bridging, you know? That get picked though.
Pilot pick. Sometimes it's bend. Go. You can't go try. No, so here's a pilot.
Yeah, pilot this set. Alright, fireman. Fireman. Post parrot. Post bridging. I just say I go move. Yeah, man. Alright. Do it, you do it, and now start it, you know, man. I tell us the idea no over yet, you know. You see me? Yes, I am. Done all of one butter, you know.
And each, you know.
Yeah, man. Like in dead too long in stuff.
Each year and laugh it long time. Look at that. Up.
The people will move from the location and go upstream, you know. Up sea. You're almost out of sinker. You see me? So that is another thing, you know, but I make a move still, you see me, see if we can gather up a couple more for the beer, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, my beautiful peeps. Thanks for checking again. So grateful, you know. See it ready at work and it a work. Catch a couple fish well from morning, so you don't know the thing go. Take on another side of the water, you know, so just keep it locked till you reach over there on the here. Yeah, man, yard and abroad. Outside. Yeah, man, peeps, so as I tell you now, we are move on to a different location. Fox are lead the way. Right now, a football match I play. So I go on. Score, no a score, you know, I touch the ball in a general. Yeah. Yeah.
Say like, share, subscribe.
Go Badan. Oh, you're not up on the field. Chop cross the next location now, peeps. Yeah. Over here, so look nice. Falling for the keeper, man. people, remember man, I'll show some love man, just like the video, leave a comment, share to a friend or a family, is it? Heart of love man, yard and abroad, blessings and respect, yes, done. See there? Next location. See what I go on. Still look like one hitch pot to me still. I see pilot big hill. Pilot. Hey, Firefox, 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 how? Whoa, bridging, bridging. Main Firefox come round on the side, I can strike. Quick and fast, quick and early. Yeah man. Hey, I'm there rig up in the people for show out there enough to see what I go on, you know what I mean?
Drop one ticket.
Yeah, it's real man. Yeah man, Fox there fish you see them with papes, but me there pack up mood me there pan, you know, cause if you throw my line stuck, you know. You see me? Peer bus line, you know. So me give up for the day, yeah man. You see me? Me give up, honestly, me give up for today. You get what me I say? Lovely seeing we up here at a new location and we don't come up here early. But we still catch a few. So that means if we attack up here one early morning, you know, so boy I would do a better job, you know what I mean? Yeah man, you know, would do a better job and I feel say the fishing would have made more successful. That's what I say, but yeah man, we don't plan to do the right thing, you know what I mean? That's what I say. We don't plan to do the right thing, come up here, run out at night till the morning, you understand? Because you also look like a nice night fishing spot too as well, you see me? Yeah man. See what I tell you about bus fox line, bus off there again, you know? See what I say, peeps? Yeah man. But me there here I pack up. And I really cap off the video yet because I don't know. We have to walk out back to the main road, so something excited me happen in the course of the time, you know. As me I tell the people to I have to hold the phone and, you know, I'm not catching enough clips, so I don't know hold the phone fishing and stuff 2 hours out here as well, so I don't know the thing, man. Yeah man, peeps, so this is my local catch of the day, you know. 5 parrot. You know what I mean? You look a pilot. That's what I say. As I say, we know over here all day and you know, we just come down. You know, so we are going to test out a new spot here. You see me? Show now a Firefox sketch. You may know say dance string of a bow seal.
Man.
Yeah, man.
2 parrot, 1 jack, 1 yellow tail, 2 butterfish, 6 fish we catch and some pilot.
Still go on.
2 butterfish, a jack, a yellow tail and some pilot.
Still go along good, man.
6 fish and some pilot. I saw that.
Some people over there don't catch none yet. So you have to give thanks. You know? Yeah man, peeps, so. But there man, as I said, I don't really cap off the video yet because I don't know something exciting might happen when you walk out there. So you see it, so. I don't know where you go, peeps, so. Get yourself clean up because you know we have to go jump back on a car and you know. You see me? So, just go and keep it locked. We stole side of play lines, man. We stole side of play. You jam? You jam. Oh.
Boom, boy, I really like man. Boom. No, no.
Oh, yeah. Active. Get the stuff, yeah, man. People with stink of soldier crab and lobster and sitting, you know, so. Get yourself clean up, you know, because you can't go in a people's vehicle like that, you know. People long up their mouth pan here, yeah?
Go in a people's vehicle, man, not clean, man.
Yeah, man, so poor a man or a woman a go about them business smell sweet. Them function a start all in the evening and you go stink them up. Yeah.
I'll just stick this spaghetti. Nah, they go forward.
Hello, then say every room.